Hi, in this video I'll show you how you can track UTM parameters in WS Form using a tool called SourceLoop. SourceLoop is a lead source tracking and marketing attribution platform that helps you track the exact marketing campaign and entire journey behind every lead. To get started, simply visit sourceloop.ai and create your account. Next, add your website and copy the SourceLoop tracking code. You need to add this tracking code in the head section of your website. To do this, you can simply install a free plugin called WP Code on your website and navigate to header and footer. Here, paste your code at the top in the header section and click Save Changes. Now, SourceLoop has started tracking all the attribution data on your website. Next, create a form inside WS Form. I have this sign up form created here. And then embed this form on a post or page inside your WordPress account. And finally, we'll visit our website using some UTM parameters related to Facebook ad. Let's click enter. Now SourceLoop will have captured this UTM information. What we will do is we will make a submission on our form. So I'll go to WS Form page and here I'll make a dummy submission. I'll enter my name and a dummy email such as this and I'll click on subscribe. So form has been submitted. Now let's go back to SourceLoop and then navigate to contact. And there you go. We have the conversion recorded here. If we scroll to the right, we can see that it has also captured the UTM parameters like channel, source, medium, campaign, and the landing page. Let's click on preview to see the entire journey of user. And here you go. We can see that it has captured the session, all the page that we viewed, whatever button they clicked and how we then finally converted. The best part about SourceLoop is it's captured all the marketing touchpoint of a user, which basically means that even if a user is visiting your site through maybe a bid ad first, then maybe they are discovering your website through a social media post or SEO, SourceLoop is able to capture all those marketing attribution and it is able to attribute all those marketing touchpoints to the same user so that you can see the entire journey behind every lead. And then finally, you can visit dashboard and then you are able to see the conversion breakdown by channel, source, medium, campaign, etc. for multi-touch attribution analysis. By default, you see the last touch, but you can switch between multiple analysis model to do the complete journey analysis. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.